Pipiads versus Minea. Both Pipiads and Minea are popular tools for product research and ad analysis, especially for e-commerce entrepreneurs, dropshippers, and marketers. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, depending on the use case. Here's a breakdown to help you decide which tool suits your needs. Pipiads focuses on TikTok ad spy tool, and Minea its multi-platform ad spy tool. Platforms supported are TikTok, while Minea supports Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. It is primarily used for discovering trending TikTok ads and products. That's concerning Pipiads, but Minea is used to discover ads and winning products on multiple platforms. So basically, Pipiads is specialization in TikTok ads, and it has search features like filters and product research. It is user-friendly interface tailored for TikTok ads only. While Minea provides multi-platform support like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, it allows a comparison of trends across platforms, and it monitors influencer campaigns to identify successful collaborations and viral products. So, they are both has a payment plan, but Pipiads, it has a free plan and you can have limited access to TikTok ads, and Minea you can have limited access to ads. Paid plan starts at $49 per month for Pipiads and the same for Minea. So choose Pipiads if your primary focus is on TikTok and you want a simple and specialized tool. And choose Minea if you want multi-platform ad research capabilities and you're interested in influencer marketing insights. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.